Why is he writing? So he says, Sakala Bhāgavata Loka Hitabhilasa Parvashataya. Because why should one write book? Why not just sit down and relax? After all, writing book is not some easy thing to do. Especially in the olden days when there was no facility, no pens, no paper, no ink, no computer. So why is he writing book? So he say, well, he wants to write book and sell and make some money. Because for making money, you can make some effort. So is that the reason? So no, because who is going to buy book? In the olden days, selling book was not heard of. So he says, Sakala Bhāgavata Loka Abhilas Loka Hitabhilasa Parvasataya. So Parvasa, Vasha means being controlled. Para means other. So being controlled by the others. Abhilasa is desire, by the desire. What is the desire? Loka Hita. Hita means welfare, Loka people. To do the welfare to people. Which people? Bhagavata Loka. Bhagavata means devotees. And Sakala means all. So he is writing this book being overpowered or controlled by the desire to do welfare for all the devotees. So that means he is not writing it for his own benefit, but to do good to the devotees so that devotees can understand what is actually the rasa and what is bhakti and how to practice it. So with this intention, he writes